I've wanted to try some products from Red Apple Fireworks ever since it was suggested to me, so I decided to shop their Black Friday sale so I can get some of the products that I wanted to try, but also take advantage of the reduced price on some of their items. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything I ended up getting, and we'll test them out, see how well we like them. The first thing I grabbed was these Tiki Candles. The colors on these are blue, green, purple, and red. The effects are bangs, comets, and tails. You get 5 candles each pack, 10 shots each candle. They are loud and they have a mid-grade effect. And you get 20 packs for a total of 100 candles. With these, you're going to get a 50-50 mixture. Half are going to be this comet and bang effect with a blue and red color. Then the other half are going to be a comet and tail effect with a green and purple color. I'm going to go ahead and fuse a pack of these comet and bangs together in this X-Cal tube, and then we'll try a pack of the comet and tail. The next thing is these cat candles. The colors on these are blue, red, and yellow. You got the same effects of bangs, comets, and tails. You get 5 candles each pack, 10 shots each candle. These ones are going to be loud, and they have a mid to high grade effect. You get 20 packs for a total of 100 Roman candles. With these cat candles, the 20 packs you get, they're all going to be the same. To test these ones out, I'm shooting for a little bit of a wider effect than these X-Cal tubes offer. So I've got 2 packs of these on this really simple stand. They're kind of just fanned out a little bit. All I gotta do now is fuse the tops and try them out. These are Wild Cards Roman candles. You get a green and purple color with a comet and tail effect. You get 5 candles each pack, 10 shots each candle. And these have a mid-grade effect, and you get 20 packs for a total of 100 Roman candles. With these Wild Cards, the 20 packs you get, they're also all going to be the same. To see the effect of these Wild Cards, I'm just going to be testing them in this Roman candle holder. These are going to be Gumball Cannon Barrage Candles. Colors on these are blue, gold, green, and red. The effects are comets, crackling, dandelions, rapid fire, stars, and tails. You get 2 candles each pack, 280 shots each candle, up to 25-second duration. These are going to be a low to mid-grade effect, and you get 10 Barrage Candles for a total of 2,800 shots. These are going to be Rainbow Pixels extra large Roman candles. Colors on these are blue, green, red, white, and yellow. The effects are bangs and dahlias. You get 20 packs for a total of 100 candles, 5 shots each candle. These ones are going to be loud and they have a high grade effect. With these Rainbow Pixels, the 20 packs you get, they're all going to be the same, but in each pack you're going to get 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 white, and 1 red. And these are a larger diameter candle, so I will be testing them in this large stand that I made. These are going to be Deadhead's extra large Roman candles. Colors on these are gold, green, red, and white. Effects on these are bangs, tails, and comets. Get 20 packs for a total of 100 candles, 5 shots each candle. These ones are very loud and they have a mid to high grade effect. With these Deadheads, the packs are going to be split. You're going to get 3 of the whistling tail with bang, and then 2 of the red and green tail with bang. And these are a larger diameter candle, so I'm going to be testing 6 of the whistling tail followed by 6 of the red and green tail in this large stand. I had to pick up some rockets, so I got these rock Catz. These are extra large rockets with silver tails. Get 4 rockets each pack. These are tail wave and crackling for the effect. They are loud, they have a mid to high grade effect, and they are 37 inches in length. And with this case you get 10 rocket packs for a total of 40 rockets. Okay, these rockets are set up and ready to go. We've got silver tail to time rain, silver tail to purple wave, silver tail to green wave, and silver tail to red wave. This is going to be Troppy Bombs artillery shells. With this case, you get 3 different types of kits. I think they're all various different peony effects. With the exception of number 1 on here, it just says crackling. You get 12 shell kits with a total of 72 shells and 12 tubes. You get 6 shells and 1 tube each kit. You got peony, whistling, and crackling for the effects. They're going to be loud and they have a mid to high grade effect. To test out these Troppy Bombs, I wanted to sample 2 from each kit, so I just took 2 from the top, 2 from the top, and then 2 from the bottom. This case is going to be Moonrocks 6-inch XXL canister shells. With this case, you're going to get 4 different variations of shell kits with a wide range of different effects. Effects are classified as sky and full. They're very loud, a high grade effect. The shell length is 6 inches, and you get 8 canister shell kits with a total of 48 shells and 8 tubes. For these Moonrocks kits, I'm going to be sampling 2 from each kit. Starting with the blue one, I'm going to be doing neon red dahlia, followed by neon yellow dahlia. On this green kit, I'm going to be sampling platinum willow with dandelion pistol, followed by platinum willow with crackling pistol. For this purple kit, I'm going to be testing neon red, yellow, and teal with vivid white strobe, followed by neon orange, yellow, and green with neon red strobe. And finally on this red kit, I'm going to be testing golden palm with neon red and sea blue, followed by golden brocade crown and gold strobe. So overall, I'm really happy with my first red apple pickup. The only regret I have is I wish I wouldn't have picked up a case of these wild cards. Not that it's a bad product, because they are a good candle. It's just, in my opinion, they have a very similar effect to these Tiki Candles that are a comet and tail effect. And I just wish I would have got something different. I really enjoyed these rainbow pixels. I don't know, I'm just a big fan of the Roman candles that have the nice breaks on them. In my personal opinion, I feel like these deadheads were kind of just all right. I'm going to say that the yellow ones are your mid-grade effect and the red ones are the high-grade effect, just because the bang effect on the red ones is much louder, much nicer, and they were definitely my favorite. As far as those gumball can and barrage candles, definitely a solid product. Glad that I picked those up. I just feel like they didn't wow me as much as I was expecting, because I feel like I've tried something like that in the past. With those Catz rockets, I feel like they're definitely up there on my list of favorite rockets. They definitely did not disappoint. With the Tropi bombs, I know they look like shit on camera, but in person, they definitely looked a lot better. And for the amount you get, for the price you get, I feel like it was a good deal. And then lastly, those Moonrocks shell kits, definitely glad I grabbed those. They looked great, sounded great. I did fuse them a little bit too fast, but I'm still happy with my choice.